Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First a look at the top stories. Government strategy on Madhe Tribunal very crucial. Madhe Bachao Abhiyan and leader of opposition express concern. Karnataka to fight the matter tooth and nail. Manohar Parrikar turned 16 in politics, says sacking Babush was the right decision. The time might have been wrong. ISRO proposes design change for Chandrayaan-2. The spacecraft to have 2 rovers and orbiter, says ISRO. Binauli villagers unhappy with the panchayat. Out of 11, just 3 panches present for the Gram Sabha. Pitch curator of Hyderabad Cricket Association Y. Chandrasekhar marks pitch and ground at Nehru Stadium for cricket ODI. And third All Goa Archery Championship commences at Kampal will expose hidden talent, says AAAG Secretary Chetan Kavlikar. And now the news in detail. After formation of Madhe Tribunal, the strategy of the Goa government before the tribunal will be crucial. On one side, Madhe Bachao Abhiyan and the leader of opposition have expressed concern about the capability of the state government to tackle the dispute. On the other side, Karnataka will fight the matter tooth and nail to save the project.
रिव्हराच्या बाबतीत डिस्प्यूट जाता तेन्ना एक ऑप्शन आसता जर एमिकेबल सेटलमेंट जायना जाल्यार दे आर रिफर्ड टू द ट्रिब्युनल आनी म्हणून गोवा सरकारान सुरवातेचे पासून स्टँड घेतिलो की ट्रिब्युनलाक रिफर करचें.
On Thursday, central government had approved formation of a 3-member tribunal to resolve Madhe water dispute between Goa and Karnataka. Even though Goa government has welcomed this tribunal, Madhe Bachao Abhiyan is very much concerned about government strategy over the issue.
गोंय सरकार आमच्या म्हादयक वाचोवंक शकतालें आसलें पूण गोंय सरकारान ह्या दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान खूब घाई केल्ली आसा. पाणी वांटप लवाद स्थापन करपाचो तो गोंयच्या अस्तित्वाच्या दृश्टींतल्यान घातक आसा.
Water Resource Ministry now plans to get the expert lawyers and put up Goa's case before the tribunal.
And the Madhe cell will have one circle and one division exclusively for dealing with Madhe tribunal and ancillary works. The second is appointment of panel of advocates.
Chairman of State Law Commission Ramakant Khalap is optimistic with centre's decision of setting up the tribunal.
Karnataka government naturally will oppose it because it appears to me that their claim is not so well founded. I am confident that Goa's case will be properly submitted before the tribunal, will be upheld by the River Dispute Tribunal, and the attempts of the Karnataka government to divert this river will be foiled.
Leader of opposition Manohar Parrikar does not feel any harm with the proposed tribunal, but says state government should put the case properly.
नाही रिस्क म्हाका कांयच दिसना. म्हादय बरोबर समोर सारकी हे मांडूंक जाय गोंयची केस. तुमी जर तूं केस सारकी म्हणटा ट्रिब्युनल इज लायक अ कोर्ट. सो कोर्टा समोर खंयची केस वता ही वायट न्हय, ती बरी ती निर्णय जावन वतलो हाजो. म्हाका गोंयच्या सरकाराच्या त्या बाबतींत आमचो एडवोकेट जनरल म्हणजे कितें जालां घाण ताजी तो एक आयरिशा समोर कशा पद्दतीन ताजी कितें म्हणटा ती लक्तरां हाजेर रस्त्यार येता ती आमी पळयल्या. तो आनी म्हादयची कितें केस हे करतलो डिफेंड, त्यामुळे ताचे खातीर योग्य तो मनीस अपॉयंट जावंक जाय.
On the other side, Karnataka has shown strong opposition for setting up of the tribunal. Karnataka CM Yedurappa and his ministerial colleagues have opposed the tribunal. Union Law Minister Virappa Moily has also bashed out at Karnataka government for opposing the tribunal. It would take at least 3 to 5 years to solve dispute under Madhe Tribunal, but it would be very crucial to see what strategy state government adopts to save the lifeline of Goa. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
In an exclusive chat with Prudent on his birthday, Manohar Parrikar claimed that sacking Babush Mossarat from his ministry was the right decision, but probably the timing was not right or he had bad luck. Leader of opposition Manohar Parrikar turned 16 in his political career on Sunday. Manohar Parrikar is still strong on his decision of sacking Babush. He also says that he doesn't regret over this decision.
म्हणजे इवन म्हणजे सरकार वचपाक जो डिसिजन कारणीभूत जालो जाका तूं रिफर करता तो सुद्दां डिसिजन घेवपा बद्दल म्हाका दुख्ख ना पण डिसिजन म्हजो आशिल्लो आनी त्यामुळे हांव ताका रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसा आनी म्हाका अजुनूय त्या डिसिजनाचें समाधान आसा आय एम व्हेरी शुअर दॅट माय डिसिजन वॉज रायट प्रॉबेबली टायमींग एखादें चुकला आसूंक शकता लक फॅक्टर मातशेंशें सारकें नाशिल्लें त्यामुळे हें जालां आसूंक शकता.
He also says that all wise politicians should get retired before people get distressed with them.
It is not 60 as a break. I only म्हणजे what I am trying to say आनी हांव तें स्पश्ट करता की एक लोकांक म्हणजे हांव गांवठी भाशेन सांगपाचें जाल्यार हांव तें अशें सांगता लोकांक तुमचो कंटाळो येवच्या पेक्षा तुमी पयलीं रिटायर जाय. That is the message actually.
He also spoke about IFFI and INOX affairs. He said that people who earlier opposed IFFI are now enjoying the publicity. He further mentioned that CBI should dispose the INOX matter at the earliest.
ज्या लोकांनी पळय म्हजी टिका केली आयज ते सगळ्यांक फुडें धांवतात फिल्म फेस्टिवलाच्या म्हजें जाल्यार मतां बेगीन मेकळो करा तो कारण म्हाका आयनॉक्साक वचपाक येना कारण हें जायसर वचप ना अशें हांवें ठरयलां दॅट वॉज एन एक्सेप्शन इज ऑलवेज एन एक्सेप्शन परत हांव वचचो ना भितर आनी त्यामुळे ती बेगीन सोंपोवची.
Parrikar was speaking to us on his birthday on Sunday. BJP members had organized a blood donation camp in Panji. He feels that his task of building a young political team with cultured and credible leaders is still incomplete.
नाही 15 वर्सां केल्ल्या कामाचें समाधान आसा पण म्हाका दिसता अजुनूय गोंयान राजकारणांत कितें तरी एक नितिमत्ता चारित्र्य हें हाडपाक पूर्ण यश मेळ्ळां अशें न्हय. फुडल्या एक 10 वर्सांन म्हज्या तकलेन आसा की कमीत कमी अशे एक डझन 2 डझन लोक जांचे कडेन बोट दाखोवपाक येतले की हांचें चारित्र्य सारकें आहा लोकां खातीर कितें तरी करता अशें राजकारणी निर्माण करप आनी लोकांक लिडरशीप दिता आसतना त्या डायरेक्शनान दिवप अशें म्हजें टार्गेट फुडल्या 10 वर्सांक उरतलें.
Our reporter in Panji, Devidas Kamli, with video journalist Anil Sanadi for Prudent Media. ISRO's Chandrayaan 2 will be launched by 2012. ISRO has proposed a change in the design of Chandrayaan 2. The spacecraft will now have 2 rovers and an orbiter. The Associate Director of ISRO's Earth Observation System, Dr. M. Ambarish Babu, informed us at a seminar on astronomy at NIO in Donapal.
Chandrayaan 1 was a big success for ISRO. Now India's elite space organization is all set for Chandrayaan 2. Chandrayaan 2 is a joint venture between India and Russia and will take off by 2012. Besides Moon Orbiter, Chandrayaan 2 will now have 2 rovers. Russian space agency Roscosmos will prepare 70 kg rover for the mission and ISRO will send a 20 kg rover. Associate Director of Earth Observation System at ISRO, M. Ambarish Babu, was in Goa. At a special function held at Donapal, he said that these rovers will do a detailed study of moon surface.
Another rover, Indian rover, around 20 kg mass. 2 rovers we are going to plan in the next flight. So it is a soft landing. These rovers will land on the moon and make the in situ measurements and give the information back.
Besides locating water on the moon, Chandrayaan 1 has also found large deposits of minerals on moon surface. Water deposits have been found on moon's polar regions. Mineral deposits of iron ore, manganese and calcium have been located on moon surface by Chandrayaan 1. ISRO also plans Mars orbiter in later years. Ambarish Babu said that the Mars orbiter will study Mars atmosphere, weather storm, solar wind interaction, magnetic fields and plasma environment. It will also record high-resolution images of Mars surface. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Ganesh Hotkar.
Time now for a short break. Stay tuned.